Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks! Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I am going to be doing an experiment for you. I am going to be using plain old water as a slip solution with POLYGEL. And the reason that I want to see if it works is because if you have ever worked with a 3D, 4D gel to make flowers and different things on your nails, all you need to work with this product here, the 3D, 4D gel, is just water. That's it. And it works, you know. I've done it, so I know. And I didn't look this up to see if anyone had used water yet with POLYGEL. So I don't know if they did or not. Maybe they did, I don't know. But in this video, I'm going to do it for you and we'll see if it works. POLYGEL is a product that's all ready for you to work with, okay? It needs no mixing, no nothing. It's ready. You just squeeze it out of the tube, put it on the nail and start working with it. And then you cure it in the lamp to get it hard. The only reason for slip solutions is to prevent the brush from sticking to the product. That's it. Slip solution doesn't do anything else for the product. Okay, it just allows you to move the product around and allows the brush to be slippery. So that's why I call it, I guess, slip solution. We're going to try GelaSh Natural Clear. We're going to try tones, and these are higher in price. I think GelaSh for a 60-gram tube is what is it, like $30 maybe now? I don't know. I'm not sure about it. I think it's right around 30. And then tones I know is $20 for a 60-gram tube. And then Yoyogi, and this is probably like maybe what, $6 for a 60-gram tube, between 6 and 8, I would say. And it's one of my favorites too, besides tones. And then of course there's a lot of people out there that use McCart POLYGEL. This is the clear. We're going to see how that works. We're going to see how all these different brands of POLYGEL work with water as a slip solution. Okay, so I am just using plain old water from the tap, and it is cold. So I need to put a little bit of this in my dappen dish. Set it over here on this paper towel. And I'm going to be using my thumbnail to put the POLYGEL on. GelaSh first. We just need enough for a sample, just to see how it works. Now here we go. Let's get a little closer. All right, so let's see how it works. We're just using water. The objective here is to spread the POLYGEL out without the brush sticking to it, okay? And now this is GelaSh, and this seems to be working okay, really. Not a problem. Look at that. Wow, that's working. Look, you can actually do this. I can't believe this. Look at that. And I haven't really put my brush back in the water yet. You know, I do have the peel off base gel, but I don't think I'm going to cure this on the nail because I don't think there's any need to right now. We're just seeing if, you know, the water is going to work. And have you noticed how many times I've dipped my brush in the water for GelaSh? Not much, huh? Not much at all. So yeah, that actually works. That works. Wow. And I've got that really thin right there. And I'm not trying to be perfect on my nail. I'm just seeing how the POLYGEL works. That's it. So yeah, it works really good. Water works really good with GelaSh. So I'm going to scrape this off because I'm not going to cure it. There's just no sense. And then I'll be back and we'll do tones. Okay, and this is Tone's glass. This is one of my favorites. Just squeeze out enough for a sample just to see how it works. And the reason I wanted to do this is because a lot of people write on my polygel videos and they want to know what else they could substitute for a slip solution or alcohol. And we've already tried using non-acetone nail polish remover. And I mean, it worked pretty good too. So now we're just going to see what about water, you know? So let's go and see how Tones works. Okay. Okay. Now Tones feels a little bit stickier with the water. Not too bad though. That means we'd probably just get a little bit more water on it. Just see. I mean, it seems to be doing all right. Just seems a little bit stickier than GelaSh, that's for sure. And I do have a little bit of alcohol on my paper towel over here, just in case the brush gets a little sticky. You can wipe the brush off, and then here's the water. Now, Tones is feeling a little bit sticky with water. Really, it is. I mean, not too bad, but GelaSh was a little bit easier to do. I mean, it's not bad, really. I mean, if you were in a pinch and didn't have anything, I'm sure it would work. It seems like the water like kind of beads up on the Tones, like oil or something, you know? It's not like a smooth, like with the GelaSh. But yeah, I think it is working. I haven't had it string out yet, but it's not too smooth. Let me just see how it is if I brush it. Yeah. I mean, it's okay. I mean, Tones is a little bit grittier of a polygel anyway. It's kind of beading up. If you can see that, you can see like the texture. Let me get closer. Now here's the texture of the Tones. You can see it's a little bit grittier. It always is. So yeah, we'll say yeah, you can with Tones, but yeah, only if you have to. It just doesn't seem like it wants to. I mean, it's working. Let's see if we put more water on it, but it has a drag to it. Okay, here we go. Here's the Yoyogi, and Yoyogi is a very firm polygel. It's one of my favorites. Okay. We're going to see how Yoyogi is working. Actually, Yoyogi is working really good. I mean, look at that. Oh my God, that works good. Huh, I don't even have to have my brush very wet. Let's wet it again. Actually, it works really good. I mean, using the water, it's not slippery, you know, like slip solution is, or alcohol. Water doesn't make it slip around as easy as slip solution or alcohol. Let me pick up a lot of water and just see. Do you see the water? It just kind of like beads up. Look at that. Do you see it? So I think it's probably best not to have a lot of water, but it is working. Yeah, I'll show you this one up close. And here's Yoyogi up close. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and cure this one and just see what happens. We'll see what it looks like. All right, so I cured the Yoyogi, and yeah, there's like no bubbles, nothing. It's hard. Clean off the tacky layer. There's a tacky layer, of course. Everything seems okay on Yoyogi, and it seems to file, so yeah. I just wanted to cure it and just see. Everything seems fine. The last one is McCart. McCart is quite sticky, so I am curious to see how this works. Look at that. Yeah, look, it's already stringing. So, well, you can see how McCart is working with water. Look at that. Okay, let me try to get my brush cleaned off. All right, let's try it again. I got lots of water on here, and we'll see if McCart is going to work. Like I said, McCart is very sticky polygel. Look. And yeah, it's not wanting to work with water. Definitely not. Whoa, look at that. It's a little curly Q on top. This is not going good for water and McCart. I just really can't get it under control. It doesn't want to do anything. Yeah, no. Nope. I mean, even if you tried your best, I don't think it would work out good for you because it seems to be a sticky mess. So no. McCart does not work well with water. All right, I will remove this and I'll be back and we'll talk about it. All right, so that is the end of the video, and I'm going to tell you from my own thoughts and opinions that for all of you that are asking and have asked in the past, does water work with polygel? Well, it would depend on the brand that you're using. Now, with GelaSh, water worked like excellent. I mean, it was so easy to use. It was great. If you're, wanting to know if water works with GelaSh, yes, it does, and it works pretty good. This is the swatch stick that I did cure it with. And it cured fine, no problems. There's nothing wrong with it at all. So yeah, GelaSh passed with water. And then the second best one that worked great with water was Yoyogi, and I cured that for you, and you saw that on camera. So it cured really well, no problems, and it worked very good. So yes, Yoyogi works with water. Tones is, yeah, it worked. It was slightly sticky, but Tones is, it's like a more grittier, and I did do a swatch stick and cure that, and it cured fine, no problems. It just looks grittier, which it feels a little bit grittier, but you could probably take that out with filing, that'll remove that grittiness, when you file. But it is a grittier polygel. That's what I'm trying to say. But it was a little bit sticky, but not too bad. It's doable. So yeah, it's doable. Now, McCart, forget it. I couldn't even get far to even get it cured. You saw that. You cannot use water as a slip solution with this McCart clear here. It does not work. You saw it for yourself. These products here that I tried out, you could get away with using water to build your nail. Is it recommended that you use water? No, it's not recommended that you use water. It is recommended that if you have a slip solution that goes with the product, to use the slip solution. If you don't have their slip solution, then you can use isopropyl alcohol, which is rubbing alcohol, in any percentage. I haven't found what was the difference between 50 and 91%, no difference. You can use alcohol. And those are the two that I would recommend that you use. But you know what? People wanted to see if water would work with this, and I wanted to see if it would work too. And yeah, it does work for certain brands. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.